Hi, I'm Lisa from Banker's Box. Today I want to show you the Storage Drawer Steel Plus storage drawers. You can save office space with the Storage Drawer Steel Plus because you can stack this drawer system 5 drawers high. Now there's no more need to stack and unstack boxes to get your files. The convenient drawer system gives you quick and easy access to your files. The steel support frame reinforces the heavy-duty corrugate for added durability, and removable rails are included for hanging files. The Storage Drawer Steel Plus from Banker's Box is the perfect solution when you're running out of space and need to store your hanging files.